Do dogs have a sixth sense? Dogs have been our loyal companions for thousands of years, and throughout history, they have exhibited behaviors that seem almost otherworldly in their ability to perceive things beyond our human senses. Many dog owners have reported instances where their dogs appeared to anticipate events or react to unseen forces. This has led to the belief that dogs possess a sixth sense, an intuitive ability to sense things beyond the five senses we share with them. In this video, we will explore the concept of a sixth sense in dogs, examining the evidence, scientific theories, and anecdotes that suggest dogs may possess such extraordinary abilities. By the end of this exploration, we may gain a deeper understanding of the mysterious world of canine perception. The anecdotal evidence. Countless anecdotes and stories from dog owners suggest that dogs possess a sixth sense. These anecdotes often involve dogs reacting to events or occurrences that are beyond the scope of their five basic senses. Here are some common examples. Premonition of illness. Some dog owners have reported that their dogs became unusually attentive or protective shortly before the owner fell ill. The dogs seemed to detect changes in the owner's scent or behavior associated with impending illness. Sensing natural disasters. There have been instances where dogs displayed unusual behavior, such as restlessness or agitation, prior to natural disasters like earthquakes or storms. Some believe that dogs can detect subtle changes in atmospheric pressure or electromagnetic fields. Alerting to pregnancy. Several women have shared stories of their dogs acting differently or more affectionately during pregnancy, as if they were aware of the changes happening within their bodies. Responding to the deceased. Some people claim that their dogs have interacted with or displayed unusual behavior around places or objects associated with deceased family members or loved ones. These anecdotes are intriguing, but scientific investigations are needed to determine if dogs genuinely possess a sixth sense or if there are alternative explanations for their behavior. The sensitive nose. One of the most compelling arguments for a dog's sixth sense is their extraordinary sense of smell. Dogs have an olfactory system that is far superior to that of humans, with approximately 300 million scent receptors compared to our mere 5-6 million. This incredible olfactory ability allows them to detect scents at incredibly low concentrations and to perceive chemical changes in the environment that are undetectable to us. Medical detection dogs. Dogs are trained to detect medical conditions like epilepsy, diabetes, and certain types of cancer by smelling changes in a person's body odor or breath. This suggests that dogs can sense physiological changes that are beyond human perception. Search and rescue dogs. Search and rescue dogs can locate missing persons or disaster survivors by tracking their scent. They can follow a person's trail even when it's faint or buried under rubble. Cadaver dogs. Dogs trained as cadaver dogs can locate human remains, even in water or buried underground, by detecting the scent of decomposition. While these examples demonstrate the extraordinary capabilities of a dog's nose, they may not necessarily imply a sixth sense in the supernatural sense. Instead, they highlight the incredible sensitivity of their primary sense of smell. Sensing emotions. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions and body language. They can pick up on subtle cues and changes in a person's behavior, which allows them to respond to their owner's emotional states. This ability is often mistaken for a sixth sense. Emotional support dogs. Many dogs are trained to provide emotional support and assistance to individuals with mental health issues. They can sense when their owner is experiencing anxiety, depression, or a panic attack and provide comfort and reassurance. Bond with owners. Dogs form strong emotional bonds with their owners, often described as an unbreakable connection. They seem to intuitively understand when their owner is upset or in need of companionship. While dogs' ability to sense emotions is impressive and contributes to their unique bond with humans, it may be more accurately attributed to their acute observation of human behavior and scent cues rather than a sixth sense. Unusual behavior and the paranormal. Some of the stories associated with dogs having a sixth sense are connected to paranormal experiences, including ghosts or spirits. While these stories are intriguing, they remain in the realm of the unexplained and are highly subjective. Haunted houses. Owners have claimed that their dogs exhibited unusual behavior, such as growling, barking, or acting agitated, in homes or locations believed to be haunted. Comforting the grieving. There are stories of dogs providing comfort to grieving individuals who have lost loved ones. These dogs are said to have acted as if they were aware of a spiritual presence. It's important to approach such stories with skepticism, as they lack empirical evidence and may be influenced by human beliefs, emotions, or suggestibility. Scientific theories and research. While anecdotal evidence and stories abound, the scientific community has approached the concept of a sixth sense in dogs with caution. Instead, researchers have focused on understanding and explaining the extraordinary abilities dogs possess within the framework of their known senses. Olfaction and electromagnetic fields. Some researchers suggest that dogs' remarkable sense of smell may allow them to detect subtle changes in electromagnetic fields or other environmental factors associated with natural disasters. However, this theory is still speculative and requires further investigation. Subtle human cues. Dogs are highly skilled at reading human body language and emotions. They may respond to subtle cues that humans are not consciously aware of, which can explain their ability to sense changes in their owner's emotional or physical states. Chemical changes. Dogs may detect changes in their owner's scent or bodily odor associated with health conditions or emotions. This ability is grounded in their exceptional olfactory sense rather than a supernatural sixth sense. Bond and empathy. Dogs form deep bonds with their owners and are highly attuned to their emotions. Their ability to provide comfort and support during times of distress is a result of this strong emotional connection. Conclusion. The question of whether dogs have a sixth sense remains open to interpretation. While there are numerous compelling anecdotes and stories that suggest dogs possess extraordinary abilities to perceive things beyond our understanding, scientific research tends to provide alternative explanations rooted in their keen senses and close bond with humans. It is essential to approach claims of a sixth sense in dogs with a healthy dose of skepticism while acknowledging that our understanding of the depth of the canine-human relationship and their remarkable abilities is continually evolving. Dogs, with their acute senses and emotional intuition, continue to amaze and enrich our lives, regardless of whether they possess a true sixth sense or not. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button and share.